make the Skin Beauty salad, you will need 2 handfuls of bitter greens, either arugula or rocket, dandelion and endive work great, 1 carrot grated, 1 radish grated, 1 cucumber diced, and half a red onion diced. For the dressing, you'll need 1 lime juiced, 1 avocado, 1 tablespoon of raw apple cider vinegar, 1 pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and a handful of fresh, soft herbs. It works really great with dill, coriander, or basil leaves, and a 1/4 teaspoon of unrefined sea salt. First off, let's make the dressing. So we combine the dressing ingredients straight into a blender. So we've got the avocado in there. We have the lime juice, apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, soft herbs, honey, and then we have the salt. So once they're all combined, whiz it up in your blender. So once your dressing has reached a smooth consistency, you might have to scrape it down off the sides a little bit or use a personal blender, something smaller, to make sure that's done. Then just turn that off and then assemble the rest of your ingredients here. So you have the bitter greens, carrot. Now the bitter greens and the onion are high in sulfur, which are excellent for detoxing the liver and also for clearing the skin. Then we have the silica-rich radish and cucumbers, which are great for hair, skin and nails. Just give that a little bit of a toss together. Use your hands. You're making food for yourself, so that's all good. And then once that's tossed together, then we're going to put our dressing over the top there. So just get that out of the blender. There we go. And for me, I love salads when they've been sort of combined well or massaged together, so to speak. It really softens the leaves, makes everything so much more delicious, I feel. So combine all your ingredients together so you've got a nice, delicious Skin Beauty salad, and then serve up into some dishes of your choice. And that is Skin Beauty salad.